Hi, I'm Mortgage Mark. Let's talk about the option and earnest money checks. And just a side note, if you're not sure what the option period is or what it means and what happens thereafter, there's a separate video about that, but let's talk about the check specifically here. So guys, for the option and earnest money checks, when you're buying a home and you're out of contract, most instances will have one, if not both. There are, just so you know, there can be examples where, or there are instances where zero exists, no option or earnest money. It's not common, that's probably least common, and then there are instances where maybe just the earnest money exists. But for the greater picture of this conversation, let's assume there's two checks. So the option money check is typically about $100 to $500. So $100, $200, $300 on average. Earnest money checks can be much, much bigger. They're typically 1% of the home purchase price. So on a $400,000 home, it's $4,000. With new construction, builders are going to charge anywhere from $5 to $10 to $15 or $20,000 for that earnest money check. So that's sizable. So the reason why we're watching this video and the reason why we're having this conversation is we may, not always, we may need to document those checks. So especially with new construction, if you're not going to close for 8-9 months from now, we may need a copy of today's canceled checks. So go ahead and go get that bank statement and just save it. Save yourself the hassle of going to find it later, but realize we may need it. We may not. The other piece, guys, is make sure it comes from your checking accounts. So write the check. I don't want cash or briefcase of cash. I don't want wired funds or like a money ordered type funds. Give us your checking account. And if it's not yours, or if somebody else's name is on those checks, or if it's from the name of your company, let us know. Because let's talk about it today before it becomes an issue. So if you guys have any questions, call us, let us know. Let's make sure we do this right up front to save just an extra headache down the road. Call us. We look forward to working with you.